I have the CMF by Nothing Watch Pro 2, and let me show you how to make phone calls from the watch. Now this is very simple. All you have to do is just make sure your watch is within the Bluetooth proximity of your phone. And then you can go to the main menu, and from the main menu, just scroll and find phone call. Tap on that, and then under phone call, you can either go to the keypad and type a number, or you can go to recent call log. So for instance, you can open a contact. Let's for instance pick someone. Let's see, this one. And as you can see, as soon as you fire it up, it's gonna go to the, it's gonna bring up the phone call. Hello, morning. Have you arrived? Have you arrived? Okay. So you might have heard also that the microphone and speaker are on the watch itself. So basically, you can have your phone in your pocket and make a phone call directly from the watch and use the watch's speaker and watch's microphone to continue with that phone call. And that is basically how to make phone calls on CMF by Nothing Watch Pro 2. Thank you for watching. Good luck.